Tell us how it is.
It's slippery.
Is it?
Today on Daisy's Toy Block. Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is Daisy's Toy Block and my name's Daisy. If you're new to my channel, just subscribe. It's down that red button down below. And follow me on Instagram. Okay guys, if you didn't see my other Squishy Baff video, go check it out. We'll link it down below in the description. I don't know what it's called. And today we're gonna do something awesome. So we're gonna do something really cool today. We're gonna do Gelli Baff, and we're gonna mix it in with Slime Baff, and it's gonna be so cool. And I wonder what it's gonna do. So the Gelli Baff is blue, and the Slime Baff is green. So let's get started. First, you're gonna fill your bathtub up with 8 gallons of water. Okay, let's start the water. Make sure when you put your water in, it's not too hot.
Make sure it's just warm, right?
Yeah, make sure it's warm.
Yeah.
It already is warm, and I think that's done with the gallon.
You think it's ready? Okay, turn it off. Okay, so next up is we're going to sprinkle the Gelli Baff in.
Okay.
You ready?
It's a Gelli Baff. Open it up. Here is the Squishy Baff. I mean the
Gelli Baff.
The Gelli Baff.
Can't see. Did you get it in?
Yeah.
Okay. Daisy, sprinkle it in. It's getting closer.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, it's already jello.
Okay, don't touch it.
Oh, it's already jello.
I think you can squish it around just a little bit.
The box says you should swirl it around.
Wow. Look at that, guys.
Whoa, look at my hand.
Okay, let's leave it alone. We have to leave it alone for 15 minutes now, right?
Now we have to put this in.
Should we put them in at the same time?
Yeah.
Or should we just wait until it's warm?
Put them in at the same time.
Okay. Let me cut it open.
There we go.
So this is Slime Baff.
Oh, I wonder what it's gonna do. And the same with this sprinkle.
Yep.
Here's the Slime Baff.
Okay, Daisy, sprinkle it in.
Whoa. Okay guys, as you can see, I already poured in the Slime Baff, and it's turning a turquoise color. So let's see what it does when we wait.
Say we'll wait 15 minutes.
We'll wait 15 minutes. Okay guys, we wait for 20 minutes, and now I'm gonna get in the bath. So now I'm gonna feel it.
Okay, get in it when you feel it. Oh. Tell us how it is.
It's slippery.
Is it? Does it feel like the Squishy Baff or does it feel like Slime Baff?
It feels like Squishy Baff and Slime Baff.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ew. It's like that monster from the monster where she gets captured, the blue guy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I don't
it feels
know.
like him.
Oh, that's so cool. Here, hold on. Let's zoom in. Do you see how it's like slimy, but also it has like little, I don't know, look like squished Orbeez?
Squishy. Oh, I'm like coming back and coming. It's slippery on the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Look at my leg.
Is it better than just having one in there?
Yeah.
Wow, that's so cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna scoop it up.
Ew.
It's so cool because it's, what color did it turn? It's like this dark blue turquoise.
Yeah. It does look like turquoise to me.
Ooh. Oh,
That's so cool.
look at that.
Don't put it on the side, ew. It looks like snot with like boogers in it. Doesn't it?
Come and feel it. It feels so good.
Let me see. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. You see that, guys?
Show it up to the camera.
Ew, that's awesome.
It's like boogery.
It like feels cool.
I'm gonna keep this in my bath forever, but I can't.
Yeah, because then you can never get totally clean. Oh my gosh, it's like a lotion.
And
Well,
you read
it
this,
really,
like,
it,
worm
honestly,
book?
it feels just like Squishy Baff and Slime Baff. Like,
Yeah, when you take it
Yeah.
out, you can see the slime,
Yeah.
and like it looks like boogers.
Ew, is it making your swimming suit slimy? Oh.
There's my new swimming suit.
Yeah, it's okay. I washed it off.
Okay.
This guy's the best. Yuck.
I found like a big chunk. Oh, I found a big chunk.
Did you? Where?
It's scoopied away. It's scooped away. It's like somewhere. Oh, here, I got it. I caught it.
Can you do a back float in it?
I caught the chunk.
Can you do a back
I
float?
can't do it because my hair.
Oh yeah, I don't want you to get your hair wet.
But I can
We
do a
already got some
tummy.
of it.
So I can do a tummy float though.
Can you? We already got some of your hair wet. That's awesome. So you guys, I guess the moral of this story is you can put Squishy Baff and Slime Baff together and you will get a perfect mixture of both of them. And
In your lap.
And I like it so much better than just Slime Baff. Like, remember when we just did Slime Baff and it was like, ugh, gross? This one's kind of cool because it's a little chunky too, so it's not like as bad.
This is so cool. I can do a bunny float.
Okay, so Daisy's gonna put the salt stuff in, so she's gonna get out. You ready? She says it's so slippery, right?
Yeah, it is.
It's like snot. Okay.
Okay.
Here's one bag and sprinkle it like you did the other stuff, okay? Here we go. Here we go. Okay. Other bag coming.
Oh, so cool. It's
Kind of like big things of salt.
I think it like got into my swimsuit.
Wow. Okay, now we're gonna wait 10 minutes and
Oh.
see if it gets smaller, right?
Ew.
Ew, this is all gross. Oh, okay guys, what we got?
Okay guys, I put the salt in and let's see if it got thinner so we can put it down the drain. And let me sit in because I want to see what it actually
Does
does.
it feel a little bit thinner?
No.
No. Here, open the drain, see if it'll go down.
I'm just farting.
Here, run some of the water. Let's run some of the water. Is that cold? I think you'd have to take a shower after this.
You got me around your finger, got me in a twisted state of life, but I refuse to see it. Yeah, you can turn me upside down, turn
Okay guys, it worked. It all went down the drain and the cup is flying. I'm gonna wash it off because I'm super slimy. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!